cook dinner with me as a mom of 7. Your girl is making meatloaf, mashed potatoes, mac and cheese, and green beans and cornbread. It's Sunday, so I definitely wanted to make something that's filling, so tomorrow we could start the week off. I'm trying to have them kids go to bed early. What are y'all cooking for dinner? What y'all doing today? We didn't do anything. Today was a nice day, but we didn't even go outside. I literally cooked, cleaned, and that's it. I just moved here from New York about 6 weeks ago. I love it so much so far. Man worked both of his jobs, so he was busy, and I'm like just became a stay-at-home mom. I'm literally trying to figure it out. I haven't been a stay-at-home mom much my whole life. I've been working all my life, but we don't have like the support that we had when we were in New York. My mother was like our main babysitter, so we don't have anybody to watch the kids. So he's working the 2 jobs and I'm home with the kids. I really want to start doing long form videos. I do shorts all the time, but I really want to start getting these YouTube videos out and start doing long form. Maybe like twice a week I'll do something like that. I don't know. I'm still trying to figure out how to edit a long-term form video. Like, my editing back in the days was terrible. I'm trying to fix it. So give your girl any ideas if you can. I'm doing this voiceover outside, and you probably hear my neighbors. They're mowing the lawn. So, yeah. But I'm going to put some music on. I ain't got much to say.
Baila, baila conmigo, que yo el paso te sigo. Hey. Seamos más que amigos, amigos, amigos. Hey. Solo tú me sigues al ritmo de la pista y yo me veo como chica de revista. Baby, conmigo a ti se te va la vista. Puedo quemarte solo con una pizca. Arriba y abajo, uy, ay. Prendimos, apagamos. Arriba y abajo, ay. Prendimos, apagamos nunca. Baila, baila conmigo, que yo el paso te sigo. Seamos más que amigos, amigos, amigos. Baila, baila conmigo, que yo el paso te sigo. Seamos más que amigos, amigos, amigos. Seamos más que amigos. Seamos más que amigos. Baila, baila conmigo, que yo el paso te sigo. Seamos más que amigos, amigos, amigos. Solo tú me sigues al ritmo de la pista y yo me veo como chica de revista. Baby, conmigo a ti se te va la vista. Puedo quemarte solo con una pizca. Arriba y abajo, uy, ay. Prendimos, apagamos. Arriba y abajo, ay. Prendimos, apagamos nunca. Baila, baila conmigo, que yo el paso te sigo. Seamos más que amigos, amigos, amigos. Baila, baila conmigo, que yo el paso te sigo. Seamos más que amigos, amigos, amigos. Seamos más que amigos. Seamos más que amigos. Baila, baila conmigo, que yo el paso te sigo. Seamos más que amigos, amigos, amigos. Baila, baila conmigo, que yo el paso te sigo. Seamos más que amigos, amigos, amigos. Baila, baila conmigo, que yo el paso te sigo. Seamos más que amigos, amigos, amigos. Seamos más que amigos. Seamos más que amigos.
For any moms that ever relocated, how are you guys doing? Like, how was it? I feel like this move has been such a hard move. Like, I love it here, don't get me wrong, but it's been such a hard move. Like, when do you get over the stage of missing your family, like missing your old life? I know that this move was like for the best, but it's like, damn, I really miss my family. My mom is moving here in July, so thank God for that. My dad moved to like Georgia. He's loving it there. Another thing, like, when you move, did you know like this is gonna be my forever place? Because I feel like this is not my forever place. I feel like this is something temporary for the time being, but like not forever. I don't know if I want to go like more south or if I want to go back to the north. Like, I'm a Jersey girl. I'm from New Jersey. I really want to move to New Jersey. I love New Jersey, but I'm like, Is it worth how expensive it is? If you ever lived in New Jersey, you know that the price is like $3,000 for like a 4-bedroom. Like, what the hell? But my fiance, he has an older son that lives there, and my family's there. His family there, like his grandmother, his mother, he has family there. We both will have support there. So it's like decision. But I'm loving it here. Like, we're literally living, like, just moving is like my dream. I always wanted to move. I knew that I was like outgrowing the city that I'm from. And when I say from, I lived in New York since I was 2 years old. Anyways, let's get this music out of the way. I'm out of things to talk about. Before I officially head out and not say anything else on a voiceover, I just would like to say, if this is content that you guys like, can you please subscribe, like, comment, and share these videos. It encourages me so much more to do content. And not just that, I don't have no friends here. Talk to your girl. She be bored. Love you all. Bye. Tired, but we almost there. So I think it's about 4 o'clock. They should have dinner by 4:35. Get these kids a bath, get them out the way.